Alright, trying to install it. As you can see, I still got the radiator hose, oil filter housing still good, manifold still not cut. I took it out. This is the new one. The only thing I'm doing different, I took the back plate off, and to remove it, I just got a screwdriver underneath right here, right where the edge. I removed this pulley. You can't see it because it's really dark here, but I removed the pulley down there and essentially pulled it forward, tilt it like this, like that, and then tilt it this way and yanked it this way. So pulled it towards the front of the car, then pulled it towards the back of the car, then yanked it out, just like that. So to install it, I'm doing the reverse. As you can see, it barely fit here and here by removing the cap. Still hitting here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to wiggle this just a slight push down on this, and once it's in, should be good to go.